Hi Kabita, you asked about our latest Michael Kors watches. From classic designs to contemporary aesthetics, Michael Kors offers versatility for every occasion. Here are our top 3 picks. First up is the Michael Kors Women Layton Watch. In this, the Michael Kors logo takes center stage on the 38mm Layton. This rose gold toned stainless steel watch features a printed logo dial and an encrusted bezel. With mineral glass protection, a quartz movement, and 50 meters water resistance, it's as functional as it is stylish. The sleek stainless steel bracelet and classic round dial make it perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Next up is the Michael Kors Runway Chronograph Watch. It is a must-have timepiece for all the watch enthusiasts out there. Featuring a sleek black silicone strap and a striking gold-toned dial, this watch makes a bold statement with its modern design. The chronograph functionality, mineral glass protection, and 50 meters water resistance ensure durability and reliability. Last, we have the Michael Kors Harlowe Round Watch. This stainless steel timepiece features a dial with outer rows of pave and classic Roman numerals. The pave extends onto the top ring in multiple rows with different size stones for an effortlessly elegant look. With mineral crystal glass and quartz movement, 50 meters water resistance, it combines timeless elegance with contemporary flair. Do let us know in the comments down below what you would like us to cover next. See you!